Hi everybody. Welcome back to whose channel? And okay. Today we are going to unbox Daddy's new
girlfriend.
This is Daddy's magic girlfriend. Daddy got from Boost. Daddy changed 86,000 coins for a vacuum cleaner.
Yeah, for free. Boost. Download. Good for free.
Daddy have to pay. How much Daddy have to pay?
1 ringgit.
1 ringgit. Okay, so time to unbox. Okay, Ada, Atis, you're gonna help Daddy unbox, right? Wait. I'm gonna cut first.
Huh?
I'm going to cut first, then you unbox for me, okay?
Okay,
No, don't come so near. Daddy cutting the blade here.
It's easy to pull.
Okay, move your face.
Now?
No, I'm going to cut, then you're going to open. Okay? Donna?
Now?
Not yet.
Now?
Not yet.
Now?
Not yet.
Now?
Atis, move your face.
Okay.
I accidentally cut you.
Now?
Not yet. This blade is not sharp.
You're already cutting the whole thing.
Yeah, I'm just going to cut here. Okay, then I'm going to cut here a little bit.
Now?
No, not yet. Okay, now you can try open. Ooh, this is the Xiaomi vacuum cleaner, C1 robot vacuum. The price was 860. Then I changed with the Boost coin, and I just pay 1 ringgit for the shipping. And there you go. You got a vacuum cleaner. How to open? You have to open here, right? I think this way. You have to put it up.
Oh yeah.
Ah.
Sylvia.
Wait.
Cut the hole. Alright.
Okay.
Want to pull this out. Your turn, Steve.
Pull down.
And pull it out.
Pull up.
Pull up.
Ooh. What's inside?
Build it. This possible. Check this out.
So, do you like Daddy's new girlfriend?
Yeah, looks cool.
Looks cool, right? Okay, we're gonna play with it tomorrow.
No.
So, what shall we tell all our viewers? Please subscribe to
1,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000 million. Like this. Let me show you.
How?
This is how much you need to subscribe.
How much you need to subscribe?
Look at this number. This is how much you need to subscribe.
Wow, so many Okay, Daddy gonna get that much subscribers, okay?
Okay.
Thank you
See you tomorrow.
everyone. See you and tune in to Andrew Kids channel. Bye. Bye.
Bye.
Oops. Okay. Xiaomi doing work.
Papa, can you check something wrong?
Huh?
Can you check something wrong?
What?
Can you check something wrong?
No. Cannot. But you just need to make sure everywhere is clear lah. It will clean the whole house one. It will clean all corners.
They kind of tickles. It's up here.
Is it gone? Gone already, right?
Yes,
You must give it more space so that it can travel. Come, let's see whether it go on the carpet or not.
Yeah. Let's chair.
Let Ethan see whether it go on the
What's
carpet
a
or not.
cupboard?
I mean the floor mat. It is you must move so that the Xiaomi can go to the carpet. Let it go.
Let go. Let go. Here's the thing.
Yes, it can go.
Maybe we can try on this. Oh, try on this.
No, it's too high. Only the carpet only can. The floor mat only can.
Make it get out.
Okay. Happy working, Xiaomi. Say happy working to Xiaomi.
Happy birthday, Xiaomi.
To send it home.
Cleanup paused. Returning to the dock to charge.
Coming to the dock.
I'm pulling this hair out so that it won't get stuck. Now it's getting stuck everything.
Okay, we did it.
Charging.
Yay.